Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your premise app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for premise app, or just click on search. Then here at premise app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.